Welcome to my channel. Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: AI tools. Artificial intelligence has revolutionized various industries, making our lives easier and more efficient. In this video, we'll take you on a journey to explore the incredible world of AI tools and their applications. So, let's dive right in. Well, AI tools have revolutionized the way we interact with technology, making our lives more convenient and efficient. One of the key reasons why AI tools are essential is automation. With the ability to automate repetitive and mundane tasks, AI tools save us valuable time and energy. For instance, virtual assistants powered by AI can effortlessly schedule appointments, answer queries, and perform administrative tasks, allowing us to focus on more complex and meaningful work. This not only increases productivity but also enhances the overall quality of our lives. Another crucial aspect of AI tools is personalization. Thanks to their ability to analyze vast amounts of data, AI tools can understand individual preferences and provide personalized experiences. We see this in action through personalized recommendations on streaming platforms, where AI algorithms analyze our viewing history and preferences to suggest shows and movies we are likely to enjoy. Similarly, when we engage in online shopping, AI tools can analyze our browsing and purchase history to recommend products that align with our tastes and needs. This level of personalization not only enhances our user experience but also saves us time by presenting us with options that are relevant to our interests. Moreover, AI tools play a significant role in improving decision-making processes. By analyzing large data sets and identifying patterns, AI algorithms can provide valuable insights and predictions. This is particularly beneficial in sectors such as finance and healthcare, where accurate and timely decision-making is crucial. AI tools can analyze financial data to identify trends and patterns, helping businesses make informed investment decisions. In the healthcare industry, AI tools can analyze patient data to identify potential health risks and recommend appropriate treatments. By leveraging the power of AI, decision makers can make more informed choices, leading to better outcomes. In addition to automation, personalization, and decision-making, AI tools also contribute to improved efficiency. By automating tasks, AI tools eliminate the possibility of human error, resulting in more accurate and consistent results. Furthermore, AI algorithms can process and analyze large volumes of data at incredible speeds, far surpassing human capabilities. This allows businesses to make faster decisions and respond to changes in real time. For example, in the customer service industry, AI-powered chatbots can handle multiple customer inquiries simultaneously, providing immediate responses and reducing wait times. This not only improves customer satisfaction but also enables businesses to handle a larger volume of inquiries efficiently. Furthermore, the ability of AI tools to process and analyze vast amounts of data in real time enables more informed decision-making across various domains. Whether it's financial forecasting, healthcare diagnosis, or even strategic business planning, AI-powered tools can extract valuable insights and patterns from data, empowering individuals to make more accurate and effective choices. Another significant advantage of AI is its ability to improve efficiency and productivity in different industries. In manufacturing, for example, AI-driven robots can take over repetitive and mundane tasks, performing them with precision and speed. This not only reduces the chances of errors but also increases productivity by freeing up human workers to focus on more complex and creative tasks. In the realm of customer service, AI-powered chatbots have become increasingly popular. These virtual assistants can handle routine inquiries and resolve customer issues promptly, significantly improving response times and overall customer satisfaction. By automating these mundane tasks, businesses can allocate their human resources more effectively, ensuring that customers receive the attention they need while also reducing costs. Moreover, AI can also enhance creativity and innovation. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI algorithms can identify patterns and trends that humans might overlook. This can lead to the discovery of new insights, ideas, ideas and solutions that can drive innovation in various fields. AI can also assist in generating creative content, such as writing articles or composing music, by learning from existing examples and patterns. Furthermore, AI algorithms can be utilized to analyze patterns and anomalies, making it possible to detect potential threats. For instance, in the realm of financial transactions, AI can play a crucial role in fraud detection by analyzing large amounts of data and identifying suspicious activities. AI algorithms can help prevent fraudulent activities and protect individuals from financial losses. In addition, AI tools can be instrumental in identifying potential security breaches by constantly monitoring and analyzing data.